In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp 3.0 step-by-step guide. Start on the home page, your main dashboard in ClickUp 3.0. Here you'll see assigned tasks, reminders, and your recent work, plus quick widgets you can customize to match how you like to work. Think of home as your daily command center. A quick scan here tells you what's due, what's new, and what needs attention next. Use the hub on the left sidebar to move around quickly. Tasks, docs, goals, whiteboards, dashboards, and settings are grouped clearly, so you can jump between sections without losing your place. It keeps everything you need within a click or two. Next, set up your workspace structure. Create a space, then inside it, create a folder, and then a list. For example, you might create a space called YouTube, a folder called Tutorials, and a list called May Uploads. Spaces organize broad areas, folders group related projects, and lists hold the actual tasks for execution. This structure keeps work tidy and scalable as you grow. To add work, create a task by clicking the plus task button or typing /task inside a list. Add a clear title, a due date, and an assignee right away, so accountability and timing are never ambiguous. That's the quickest way to turn ideas into actionable steps. Open the task panel to customize. Add subtasks for multi-step work, checklists for simple to-dos, and attachments for files and screenshots. Set a priority, add tags, and use custom fields to capture the details your team cares about. This is where tasks become fully organized and easy to track. When you need the big picture, open the Everything view to see all tasks across your entire workspace. Filter by assignee, due date, or status to narrow your focus and cut through noise. For instant lookup, press Ctrl or Command+K to open Universal Search and find tasks, docs, comments, and even teammates in seconds. Choose the view that fits your work. List view is great for detailed editing, board view makes drag and drop workflows effortless, calendar view supports scheduling, and Gantt view gives you timeline planning and dependencies at a glance. Create docs for notes, scripts, and SOPs and embed live tasks inside those documents so your ideas and execution stay connected. For visual planning, open whiteboards to brainstorm with sticky notes, draw connections, and drag real tasks onto the canvas for interactive planning. Automation save time by handling routine actions like moving a task to the completed list when it's marked done. For tracking progress, build dashboards with widgets for tasks, workload, time tracking, and project metrics to get a clear overview. Finally, use the improved mobile app for quick updates on the go. It's faster, cleaner, and supports offline work so your projects stay moving wherever you are.